Okay, you guys, this week, man, I got some smoke and fire for you guys. Man, it's going to be a great week. I'm going to go over the news in just a moment, but as you can see in the thumbnail, we're crushing it. We also launched the gold trading service, which you'll be receiving more gold trades this week. Like I said, what we did on Thursday, we only took one trade just so you guys can get a sample taste of what it's like to win on gold. And then on Friday, we took off because, of course, it was NFP news and the market is highly volatile during NFP news. However, I will say this, I'm going to show you guys the Ocean Wave. And if you're ever going to be a news trader, Ocean Wave is the way to go. I'm going to show you some trades that I took using the Ocean Wave with the news events for the US dollar and watch how perfectly they worked out. Also, I'm going to show you one of my favorite patterns to trade that's almost like guaranteed money in your pocket. Okay. Later on this week, I'm also going to be doing a video on a very, very, very easy tool to use that's free. You don't have to pay for it. It's already pre-built into almost all your trading platforms to help you see how to navigate through the charts a whole lot easier. Because I think that's the only thing some of you guys are missing still is it's not clicking for you. So once you see it on a naked chart, then you go back with your trading tools or your trading system. You'll be able to see and say, oh, now I completely understand. Okay, so we got a lot of good stuff coming up for you guys this week. All right, but first, let me get to the news. This is the news for the week, and let me expand that so that you guys can see it. So as you can see on Wednesday is when the fireworks really begin. You have the NZD coming out with their interest rates. They call it cash rates, but it's interest rates. So you want to make sure you're aware of that. You also have the US dollar coming out with their Fed meeting minutes. And I used to ignore the meeting minutes until the meeting minutes used to say something stupid and then they used to attack my trades. So now I know, hey, if I am going to trade during the meeting minutes, to be very, very careful. Okay. All right. Now, next, let's take a look. We got this up here. We have, let me move myself over here. We have also, and what day is this? That's Thursday. Okay. On Thursday, and I can make it this big. On Thursday, we have the core inflation numbers. So this is what I told you guys. This is the report card for the president. Anytime you want to know how good a president is going to be for you before you place your vote, always check the core CPI numbers. CPI stands for I call it the customer price index. It's consumer price index. That's what it stands for. Consumer price index. That's a cute way of saying how much extra in inflation do my customers have to pay? Who are the customers? The U.S. citizens. So you're finding out how well your current president or future president, no, not future, but your current president, you can always find out how well they're actually doing by checking the CPI numbers every single month. They do this every single month. So it's kind of like a monthly report card for them. And the higher the inflation, the more you're paying out of pocket. Now you're understanding how the policies work. Okay. So before you vote, well, I'm just voting for this person because I like this and that. Okay. All right, cool. But this person's policies are the ones that's making you pay higher in rent, higher in taxes, higher in everything you got, including the grocery bill. This is why you got to go out and start twerking, because your policies from the president ain't working. All right, let me move on, get myself in trouble. Unemployment claims are coming out. Then on Friday, we do have, and let me expand this and bring it up. So on Friday, here's what we have. We have the pound coming out with their gross domestic product numbers. You got CAD coming out with unemployment numbers, and you got the US dollar coming out with PPI. This is production numbers, okay? PPI. Okay, so that's the news for the week. It's not terribly bad. Mainly the one that I'm looking at is Wednesday. Outside of that, Wednesday for the NZD, and Thursday is what I'm looking for the US dollar. Those are the main two that will be bothering me. All right, now let's get back to the charts. All right, you guys, what you're seeing on screen, I'm actually in this trade on a personal trade, and I was going to send this out, but Dr. Elvis, of course, beat me to it. Thank you, Dr. Elvis, for the copycat members for the Forex side of the business. And of course, you guys know that Jenny is killing it with the US 30. You got the copycat for the For the Forex side, now you got the gold trades coming out. We're just trying to find multiple ways to build you guys extremely nice income. All right, so with that being said, let's pay attention to this. This is one of my favorite things I'm looking for. As you can see, and if I go back to the 15-minute, you'll see, because you say, well, why are you in the trade and there's no arrow? Well, drop down to the 15-minute and you'll see it. But you see this little sideways pattern? That's what I like. I love the sideways pattern. Because what happens is this is telling you that at any time, there's going to be a slow move or an explosive move to the upside. Because what is this pattern? Consolidation. Consolidation. And we'll look at what's important. What's important is because these candles are staying above the main wave the whole time. And if I expand this a bit, you'll see that the wave, okay, look at this from here. You can see the wave started down and now it's slowly migrating itself up, okay? And the whole time it's migrating slowly up, guess what's happening? The candles are staying above the main wave, okay? Consolidatory patterns are very, very nice. The good news is that you really don't have to worry about panicking or tripping off of whether they're going to hit you or whatever, because like right here, you can see this one candle. This was a news event candle. It did, spike a bit, but it kept in rhythm. As soon as that event was over, it just stayed in rhythm. And you can see I'm up 20 pips already on this trade. Okay, 20 pips. But watch this. The higher it goes and the more you're going to see these flip from red to green, okay, which is what you're seeing on the lower time frame, and you'll see that these are going to start flipping as the more that this keeps going. You can already see even on the 30 without the arrow that the MACD has already flipped the script and said, okay, we were down, baby, but now it's over. So again, you can get an early start on that 15, catch that bad boy, but let me thin this out because you know me, I like mine stand out so I don't see all that noise. Look at that. You can see that thing just sliding smooth. This requires patience though, okay? Because this one is not one where if you're one of those people, you got to have your trades moving quick, fast, and in a hurry, then, go pick something else. But if you want let me rephrase that, almost guaranteed profits. Once I started seeing these candles sitting on top of the main wave in the neutral zone, I dropped to that 15-minute and saw that arrow. I'm like, oh, I'm in this one. This is what I like. This is good money here. This is some good money here. And that thing just going to keep on slowly burning. It's going to keep on going up. And one trade on this one will bring me about $500. I think I only got a standard on this one. Yeah, just a standard. So you can see right here, boom. Okay, 81 pips, slow and methodical. So this is one of my favorite patterns with the ocean wave. I love it because it's simple. I don't have to worry about it. I can set it and literally forget it because you can clearly see on the higher, wherever time frame your entry is, like mine is on the 15, but you can see right here that on the higher time frame, one step higher, there isn't any arrow. It's still sitting in the neutral zone, but that's the point. Look at where the candles are. It's just a matter of time where basically this week you'll probably get your 30-minute arrow and you can still hop in on it. But look at this. That's what I'm looking for. Candles are staying above. That's what I'm talking about. So even if you catch me on the neutral, guess what? You're staying above. If it's on the downside, then I want it below. And this is historically how you can backtest this. Just put this thing on put it on the 1 hour. You can look how smooth it went down. All that money. Now guess what's going to happen with this? Smooth on the way up. See what I'm saying? These are the pairs I like. I love it. All right, let me go through these real quick. So AUDNZD is another nice pair that you can stick with. Once it gets rolling, it gets rolling. You can see it stayed neutral. Boom, boom, boom. Got your chop, and when it broke out, it just didn't stop, okay? But it's too late to get in this one. I'm not looking at it. Ooh, pop and drop, baby. Pop and stop and drop. Ooh, I hope you come back up. Ooh. See how this is what I was telling you guys. See it right here. It's right here. See how it just came out that neutral zone? Neutral. Now you could have got in on the 15 earlier and you just had to hold it. But look, and let me stretch this out like a stretch limo so y'all can see what I mean. See, you just hold it. It's slow. That's okay. That's what you want. You want these slow ones because what happens is really when I go over these news events and all that stuff, it don't even really impact them because they can take a licking and keep on ticking. Look what happened. And it just chop, 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 chop. And then boom, that thing started dropping. So that means you could have been in up here. Let's say you got in right here and you already up 50, 60 pips already on this trade. Do you get what I'm saying? See, early, just slide, baby, slide, just slide. I love these. I absolutely love these. These are just, and this is going to drop more. I guarantee this is the ADR numbers. Look, it hit the average daily range here in red, but I guarantee these numbers when the market reopens, these are going to change. It's going to have a new setting, and I guarantee this thing going to slide right on up into it, real slow. But this is what I'm talking about, them slow sideways moves. That's what you want. Guaranteed money, basically. No worries. Let it slide, baby. Slide. Okay. This one is a little wild, so that's why I stretch thin my charts. Okay. And you can see this one right here. It did it. Went, and then boom, you get the explosive move. That's what I was trying to tell y'all. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Now this is AU. Yep. All right. So AU was already it already told you before the NFP news where the money was. Look at the main wave. See? Sideways move. And then what? Boom. It came and touched the average daily range. Okay? So on this one, 43 pips. Okay? 43 pips. And look, it's still doing the sideways. So that means this is actually probably going to catch some people who's trying to reversal trade it. It may go down further. My money is on down, down, down. Okay. Now this is a mess. I don't play with this at all. Nope. On to the next one. Okay. On to the next one. And by the way, let me do this. You can scrunch it up like that. Okay. You can do that. Play with the, adjust the sizer. Okay. That's why I shrink my charts. I don't like that. This one, it played out nicely. Okay. Very, very nicely. And I think today I'm just going to focus on just the ocean wave because in the beginning of the week, the market tends to fake people out. They show you, oh, here's a reversal trade. And then you get caught not realizing, hey, this thing is going to keep on going in the beginning of the week. And then in the middle of the week is where midweek reversals come from. But look at that. How accurate was that? Boom. Golly, this is amazing. And I told you about them JPY pairs. Told you. Okay. Boom. Think this is still going to pop a little more. This was a nice, good honeydew melon right there. Okay. Okay. Now right here, let's take a look on the 15 minutes. See how all the candles are staying above the neutral zone? Let's drop to the 15 and see what we talking about. What I tell you. Boom. See what I tell you. Boom. There we go. There go another one. There go another one. And what it's probably going to do is slowly, and then pop to the top. Pop out like a jack in the box. See how the candles stay above the neutral zone? Y'all see what I'm saying? And so drop to a lower time frame. I like to start on the 30-minute, but when I see this, I drop to the lower time frame, see if I see an arrow, then I hop in. And boom, there you go. That's another example. See how this one did it? Go to the 15-minute. Look how you could have got in way earlier. And see how that thing just keep on sliding slow. And it's going to keep going up. There's 186 pips on this move so far. 186. And it's still not done. Because I see it got that spongy bob square head. So this one's going to pop up even more. It's not finished. It is definitely not finished. Okay. So look good. Looking good. Okay. Nothing there. Euro dollar. See how it goes and slide down slow. Them slow sliders. Love them. Okay. And this is NFP. See how it dropped? See how that drop came in? But it was already pre-predicted on with the ocean wave. That's why I said if you're going to trade news, use the ocean wave. This thing is a massive beast. Okay. I don't see anything worthwhile. There was an explosion and this and that. I don't like it. Okay. We have too much mess right here. So move on. It's not smooth. This one, same thing. Boom, boom, boom. I don't like it. I like them smooth. See, smooth and drop. Smooth and then drop. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Smooth and drop. Okay. All right, this one broke above the neutral zone. Drop to the 15-minute. And we still don't have an arrow, so we don't have to pay any attention to it. Okay, or you can put it on your radar. You can put it on your radar. All right. Let's look at GU. GU, I ate good on this one. Look at that. Smooth, sideways, 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 and then boom, the big drop. That's what I was telling you. Slide, NFP, and this is the one I caught. Boom, it's dropping. And I guarantee this thing ain't done going down. It ain't over. See, it's setting up. It's setting up that slide. Slide. Gonna catch some people trying to catch a reversal, and then it's gonna boom, drop. Look at that. Look at this. That's why I'm not doing the simplicity yet. You guys, we can do it on Wednesday during class, but not today. I'm only, let's see, this is what I'm talking about. See how the candles jumped above the main wave? I mean, and it's in the neutral zone on the 30. Watch this. Let's see if we got an arrow on the 15. Nope, we don't. We ain't got no arrow yet, but I put this on my radar. Because guess what? This is just like the other Euro. Which one is this? This is GBP AUD. Okay, let's go to Euro AUD. See? Same exact thing. Same exact thing. See? Boom. See that? See? Told you. So I'm going to be looking for an arrow on the 15-minute on this one and see that sideways action and let that thing just glide on up. So, in fact, while I'm talking to you guys, give me all the grease. And I ain't wrote down no notes for my doggone self. GA, Euro Swiss. Talking to y'all, doing all this stuff. I should be writing notes for myself. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. GN, you've already went and done quite a bit. And you got the arrow, so no, I'll go with GA. All right, cool. 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 Let me slide this thing down a bit. Thin it out. Thin it. Okay. Or better yet, let me do like this. And hit this minus button, plus or minus button. Okay. There we go. Yeah, baby. All right. Yeah, baby. Yeah. 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 I hope you even come back a little bit. So I'll probably look at you around maybe 9:30, 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time tonight. And see if you pull back a little bit more. Then I'm going to hop on in there. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Nothing there. See? Look at these long moves. Slow to the downside. See? Ugly. Slow moves. Look at that. Boom. To boom. That's about 26. It's still free money. It's money. Money is money. Look at this. See? I told y'all. Slow droppers. 100 pips on that one. NJ, I don't like it. See, it's jumping, leaping like a frog, so I don't deal with it. Smooth, see, smooth up, smooth down. Look at what we missed. Ooh, 109. UJ, see, started off slow, and then 422. Look at this one. 73. Look at this one. And it ain't done going up. 44. When it gets this flat kind of top right here, I know it's going to pop. Flat tops pop. Flat tops pop. Okay, sponge. That's where I came up with Spongy Bob Squarehead. The flat tops pop. See, it's flattening out, and then it's going to explode back up. Look at all this green. Look at that. Man, that's amazing, bro. That's amazing. Amazing. Let me skip to my loo. And skip to my loo. And that's it. Yeah, we already done. Yeah, we done. We done. Oh, cool. Okay, so I hope you guys got something out of this video. Again, we can do the midweek reversals with the simplicity system for reversals, but realistically, I don't want to show you guys any simplicity reversal setups because typically they're fake outs in the beginning of the week. And then during the midweek reversal, or basically Wednesday when we're doing class, that's when they're actually legit because now the high of the week and the low of the week is typically set by Wednesday or Thursday. Okay, always make a note of that. The high of the week and the low of the week is set typically by Wednesday or Thursday, which is why you get quote unquote midweek reversal. In the beginning of the week, you do get a few reversals, but they don't last long because they're still trying to stay within the rhythm of the trend. Are you with me? Are you with me? Okay. The trend is your friend until midweek begin. The trend is your friend until midweek begin. I'll say it again. The Trend is your friend until midweek begin. That's when midweek sets the high of the week, the low of the week, and then at that point you start finding reversal setups. Okay, so that's why we can look at simplicity reversal setups. If you come to class on Wednesday, we can ask class, answer questions during class or whatever. But that's what I'm looking at. All right, you guys. Peace and hair grease, and I'll see you in the next video. And I got something huge I'm working on for you guys. Oh my God! If I pull this off, man, we're going to be able to crush these prop firms with no problem at all. Okay, so Uncle P is working on that as well. Okay, talk to you guys in the next video.